Диктатурата в Канада приключи. Извънбрачният син на комуниста Фидел Кастро, а именно Джастин Трюдо, подаде оставка като министър-председател в Канада.
I intend to resign as party leader, as prime minister.
За хората, които не знаят за какъв идиот точно говорим,
I am a feminist. I will never apologize for standing up for an LBG. Today, Junior?
The future of mankind. So we'd like you to...
we like to say people kind, not necessarily mankind, because it's more inclusive.
There we go.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Аплодисменти за човека, който направи наркотиците в страната си легални.
The results are in on the Prime Minister's radical liberalization of hard drugs. He teamed up with the BC NDP to decriminalize fentanyl, crack, and heroin. He lowered jail sentences for mass producers of deadly fentanyl.
И превърна страната си в зомбиленд. Уу! Върл противник на свободното слово и мнение, като баща си.
Why is this government using C10 to crack down on the free speech rights of everyday Canadians on the internet?
Fighting harmful content online, against disinformation, misinformation, propaganda.
Аплодисменти за дебила, който докара жив истински нацист от Втората световна война в парламента им. И му ръкопляскаха, и плакаха идиотите им.
He's a Ukrainian hero, a Canadian hero, and we thank him for all his service. Thank you.
Батите по такова парето.
Was a terrible mistake and a violation of the memory of those who suffered grievously at the hands of the Nazi regime.
Прав текст си призна, че харесва и сигурно завижда на Китай за възможностите, които дава на властта. Диктатурата.
Of admiration I actually have for China. Their basic dictatorship is allowing them to actually turn their economy around on a dime.
По време на управлението си, дебилът Трюдо до такава степен практикуваше демокрация, че ако някой посмее демократично да протестира срещу властта,
Canada's National Police Service sending to banks the names of people involved in protests that have paralyzed Ottawa. This is the first concrete step in the financial crackdown on demonstrators.
Ебати комунист.
Justice Richard Mosley ruled that the federal government violated 2 sections of the charter. Freezing bank accounts was an unreasonable search and seizure, and the nationwide order to stop protesting violated the right to free expression.
Mr. Trudeau, you are a disgrace for any democracy. Please spare us your presence. Thank you.
И това въобще е без да споменаваме множеството обвинения за корупция.
It's been months now since the Auditor General revealed a $400 million spending scandal involving 186 incidences of conflict of interest where Liberal appointees gave tax dollars to their own companies. $400 million is a lot of money. We're not just going to let $400 million of corruption be swept under the rug so Justin Trudeau can get on with his day.
The relevant authorities need to follow up on this and get to the bottom of exactly how this unacceptable situation happened.
One ArriveScan company received $250 million in contracts. Let's get this straight. It's a company with 4 employees, headquartered in the basement of a tiny cottage. They got IT contracts even though they admit they do no IT work.
250 милиона за компания с 4 служители. Хе-хей! Бойко Борисов одобрява това. Иначе кълки на Тейлър Суифт и си прави джендър-неутрални кабинети нашия. Колко прогресивно, смело и вдъхновяващо. Розовите комунисти, брато!